Okay, so I'm going to do the same to this side. You're just going to brush into your hairs. And see how even though I don't have that many hairs down here, it just grabs onto the ones that I do and makes a nice eyebrow. Alright guys, okay, so we have one of my favorites. I like the lengthening. I really love this one, the volumizing. Look at this brush. So we're going to put our mascara on. So start at the bottom, work your way up. Okay, other side. And remember not to pump your mascara. That will get bacteria in there and it will dry it out fast. Just put it in, swivel it around, pull up. Okay, and don't forget the little ones.